The most common question is, how did they transport 80-ton granite blocks from Aswan, 800 kilometers away? For years, we thought they just dragged them through the sand, but archaeology recently revealed a game-changer, a lost branch of the Nile that flowed right past the Giza Plateau. The Egyptians were master hydraulic engineers. They built sophisticated harbors and canals to bring the ships directly to the foot of the pyramid. But once the stones reached the shore, the real work began. They didn't have the wheel as we know it for heavy lifting. Instead, they used rockers, wooden cradles that allowed them to move massive blocks with minimal effort. They understood the laws of friction and mechanical advantage better than any civilization that followed for 2,000 years. They weren't working harder, they were working smarter. They were aura farming through pure intellect. Imagine a structure so massive that it remained the tallest man-made object for nearly 4 millennia. To put this into perspective, if you took all the stone from the Great Pyramid, you could build a wall around the entire country of France. We are talking about 6 million tons of precision-cut rock. But the mystery isn't just the size, it's the execution. Every single stone was placed with such accuracy that you can't even fit a credit card between them. Modern skyscrapers are allowed a certain margin of error, but the Great Pyramid, it's almost perfect. The 4 sides of the base have an average error of less than 5 centimeters in length. Why such perfection for a 4,500-year-old tomb? Or was it something else entirely, a power plant, an astronomical observatory? Today, we go beyond the myths and look at the blueprints. Now, let's go inside. Most pyramids are solid, but the Great Pyramid has a complex system of passages. The Grand Gallery is a structural anomaly, a long, slanting hall with a corbelled ceiling that shouldn't be able to support the weight above it. Yet it does. And then there are the air shafts. For decades, we thought they were for ventilation, but they are blocked at the end. When robots were sent up these shafts, they found mysterious copper handles. Some theorists suggest the pyramid wasn't a tomb, but a Giza power plant, using the Earth's vibration and the conductive properties of granite to generate energy. While mainstream science stays cautious, the precision of the king's chamber, made entirely of red granite, suggests it was built to handle immense pressure and perhaps resonance. It's an acoustic masterpiece. If you hum at a certain frequency inside, the whole room vibrates. If we tried to rebuild the Great Pyramid today with our most advanced cranes and 3D mapping, it would cost billions of dollars and still take years. The ancients did it with copper chisels, stone hammers, and a vision that reached the stars. They didn't just build a monument. They left a message in stone that we are still trying to read. Is it possible that we have forgotten more than we have learned? The Great Pyramid stands as a silent challenge to our modern ego. It tells us that greatness isn't about the tools you have, but how you use them.